Hi boys and girls, how are you? Today we're going to be talking about fact families, and I think I have brought it up a couple times in the past few days, just talking about how numbers are related and talking about fact families. So we're on lesson 12 and it's on page 81. So if you don't have your math book and a pencil out, if you can get it out now, you can push pause and get it. All right, so we're going to talk about how numbers are related, and we're going to start with the numbers 2, 3, and 5. Okay, so go ahead and write those in that triangle. So when we're talking about fact families, the only numbers that can be in our addition and subtraction are 2, 3, and 5, because they're in your family. So that's what we're saying, that's our family, and only those three people can be in there. So we have 2, 3, and 5. We're always going to add the two small numbers, okay? 2 plus 3 equals 5. Okay? Then we're just going to flip them. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Okay? For the subtraction, we're always going to start with the big number. So the big number is 5. So we have 5, and we take away 3, and it equals 2. And if we have 5 and we take away 2, it equals 3. So all of them have the same three numbers. Now if we did here 2 plus 5, it wouldn't equal 3. It would equal 7. So that would not be in our fact family. Or if we put the 3 here and we did 3 take away 2, that would equal 1. So that would not be in the fact family. We want to keep our numbers in the fact family, so we have to make sure that they make sense. Okay, and if we always remember that when we're adding, it's going to be the two smaller numbers, and when we're subtracting, it's always going to start with the big number. Okay? All right, so let's try another one. Let's try 8, 3, and 11. Okay, go ahead and write that. All right, so when we add, we're going to add our small numbers, remember. 8 plus 3 equals 11. Then we're just going to switch them. 3 plus 8 equals 11. Right? And then remember, when we subtract, what number are we going to start with? Good job. The big number. 11 take away 3 equals 8. And 11 take away 8 equals 3. Good job. All right. Okay, everyone get that written? You can always push pause if I'm going too fast. You can pause it and then catch up. All right, so now we're going to go to page 82. And it says, a fact family is a set of related facts using the same three numbers. The numbers in this fact family are 12, 9, and 3. Okay, so they did 9 plus 3 is 12. 3 plus 9 is 12. 12 take away 9 is 3. 12 take away 3 is 9. Okay, so we don't even have to figure out the answers because they're all here for us. So 9 plus 7 is 16. 7 plus 9 is 16. 16 take away 9 is 7. 16 take away 7 is 9, right? All right. Now on this one, it's a little bit different. They don't have one of the additions, right? So they have 9 plus 8, and we know that's going to be 17. But now we have to write the second addition. Okay, so they already did 9 plus 8, so we want to switch them. So we're going to do 8 plus 9 equals 17. Okay, 17 take away 9 is what? 17 take away 9 is 8. Good job. And now we want to switch them, so we're going to do 17 take away 8 equals 9. So in fact families, there's usually 2 additions and 2 subtractions, unless the numbers are the same. So what are the related facts in a fact family? 9, 9, and 18. So we'd have 9 plus 9 equals 18. Well, if we wrote it again, it would be the same number. So the subtraction would be 18 take away 9 equals 9, but there's only 2 there, because if you rewrote them, it would be exactly the same. Okay, so usually there's 2 addition and 2 subtraction, Unless the numbers are the same, then there's only going to be one addition and one subtraction. All right? Okay. So you are going to do all of the addition and subtraction here. Remember, when you're adding, you're always going to add the little numbers, and it's going to equal the big number. When you're subtracting, you're always going to start with the big number. Okay, so you're going to do this page, page 83. Okay, let's look at the back. Okay, on the word problems, you're going to make sure you write a number sentence for me. Okay, and you're going to make up your own number, your own fact family. So I would think of two numbers that add up to the last number. Okay, so what plus what equals what? Okay, so you make up your three numbers, or you could start them here, and you're going to make up your own fact family there. All right? Okay, boys and girls, have fun with fact families. And remember, you are going to be doing page 83 and 84, taking your pictures of them and turning them in on your, after this video on the second slide, you're going to turn them in there. And do you have to do the homework? No, if you're like me, you might want to, because I love fact families.